Hi, if you're planning to learn advanced numerology, that to one, so then watch this video till the end. I not only believe in creating more professional numerologists, but I also believe in personally mentoring them. You must have seen many people conducting online numerology classes across, right? So where there are 50, 100, 200 people per batch. I don't believe in that because uh, I personally believe that these kind of spiritual concepts or occult science, as we say, has to be personally mentored, right? Because in a group, it is very difficult to learn. Okay, so these kind of concepts with complete clarity, very difficult for you to ask questions and get answers as well. So what I do, I take either a small batch of 2 to 5 people, or in most cases I conduct one-to-one sessions. So the one-to-one session can be in my office, where you sit in front of me and learn, where I have an opportunity to personally explain you all the concepts and then personally mentor you as well. In the process, uh, I take examples of your own case, right? When I say you, your family, if you're married, your wife, if you have children with, the personal consultation of your family, including you, can be completed as well, right? As examples. So this is one advantage of taking one-to-one sessions. So, but if you're not in Bangalore, or if you can't, if can't come to my office, that's fine. So we can even conduct this online as well. So across the world, wherever you are, we can do this one-to-one session on Zoom.
Namaste, my name is Raksha Desai and I'm from Bangalore. Recently, I was interested into numerology and when I was searching for a mentor, I found Raghavendra sir and I took a 6 day numerology program under him. It was very informative and he gave us a detailed study of numerology starting from basic till advanced numerology, and it was quite interesting. And here he also gave us the solution for a lot of our problems and all through gemstones, Rudraksh, and many more. So if at all anybody interested in numerology, please do contact Raghavendra sir to enhance your knowledge, and thank you.
Namaste, I'm Pallavi Avinash. I'm from Bangalore. Recently, I was interested in learning numerology because my husband is an industrialist. He was having some issue in his business and he just thought of meeting a numerologist. He met Raghavendra sir through Google, and with his guidance and support in his life and changes in life, now his business is growing. Then I thought of learning numerology. So I took a 6 days program with Raghavendra sir, and the program is very knowledgeable and informative. Sir taught us from basic to advanced numerology, and he gave us the knowledge about numbers and Rudrakshi, gemstones, lucogrades, etc. Overall, it was a very informative, detailed study on numerology. So, if anyone interested to learn numerology and change your life, please contact Raghavendra sir and enhance your knowledge with numbers.